So in the last post we have made a little update of this code here where you can have this thing here, this little window with this grab button, and then if you click you can click on the top left and in the bottom right of the screen to grab the image. Here it is, and to have also the text you see here. This text here, it comes from this, not from this one because this is text, but from a tesseract, pi tesseract interpretation of the image that you've seen before. And you see it's not perfect maybe because but I can make you see, for example here from, let's go on Google and let's just take um, I don't know, Wikipedia maybe, and let me take this image here, go click on this, then go to grab, click here, then click here and click here, and you see the image. And if you go on the console here you see that apart from this thing here, um, here is the text that has been taken from this image. Yeah, now, and this is in my GitHub repository utilities, formazione/utilities on GitHub, and I think I got other images, other other utilities I want to put into this. If I go in my blog, one of my last post is another, there it is, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, so this code here, I want to add this one to my collection here, and speak, okay, let me call it this way. So if I run this, you see here, I'm gonna choose a language here, English, give it a name, let's say hello, and hello to you, and then press enter, and okay, there is an error. Let me start again. Sometimes maybe the connection makes some, okay. Okay, now it worked, and we got this hello here. I don't know before. Well, okay. And okay, so now I want to join to these two images, so these two programs, so that I can, well, I'm gonna show you what I wanted to do. So when I save this file here, pytesseract print pytesseract image to string. Okay, so this one will be Instead of grab image screen, I want to call it grab speak. Okay, this new program here. And so uh, let me call this one text, and then print text. Let me see if this works, because I don't know how it saves the. Okay, it worked. Now I'm gonna take this function here to. I'm gonna adapt it to my code here. So don't need this. Don't need this. Instead of this, I'm gonna put some text in here. Yeah, let's leave it in English maybe, and okay, save this. Okay, I'm gonna save this one as text.mp3 file name, and or maybe okay, so yeah, let me see if this one works. No, maybe I need to okay, print text and then create mp3 text. All right, so let's do it. Let's go into some sort of site. This Wikipedia, and let's see. Let's take something like Spider-Man. Okay, then let's do start with grab here, this program, and let me click here and maybe here. Okay, now GTTS is not defined. Okay, from GTT, forgot to import GTTS, import GTTS, this class here, to make it work. And yeah, let's do it again. So let's grab, this time I want to grab this thing here, See if something happens. Maybe it takes some time to let me see if there is an error here. Unable to find token. Okay, maybe sometimes when it starts the first time, I don't know why. Maybe I should make him sleep for a moment. Okay, let's try again. Okay, let's grab here and here. Let's wait a second. Wait a second says here. Let's see if it works.
Peter Parker and Spidey redirect here. For other people, see Peter Parker, disambiguation. For the comic book series, see The Amazing Spider-Man. For subsequent versions of the character, see List of incarnations of Spider-Man. For other uses, see Spider-Man, disambiguation. Peter Parker and Spidey
Okay,
redirect.
I don't know if you heard it because you just hearing it through my microphone and the headphone of my and the speakers of my headphones. So, but I can hear it. So it worked, and so this is another little feature we added to our program here. Maybe we could also make the window a little bigger here with root.geometry, and let's see 400 for 400, so there is a little bit more visible, and maybe also the button could be a little bigger. And I don't remember well how to do it. Yeah, let's see 50 and width equal it's quite okay. 10 and 10 and bg equal gold. Okay, okay, so this is my little graphic user interface. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.